Hi, I'm Amy, and I just finished my treatment. I was diagnosed with a periodontal. I had a bacteria in my mouth, but what I didn't know was I was getting sick for years, off and on, probably 4 or 5 years before I had seen the periodontist. And what I had found out is that it was the bacteria that I had in my mouth that was putting me in the hospital. It was putting me on all these other antibiotics for months and months at a time. But then when I came and had the treatment, the laser treatment, I did it took what, 6-9 months through. And now I had went back to my naturopath recently, had all my blood work done, and she asked me what I had done because my results were so great. My inflammation went down to a level 2. I was at like a level 10 before. And I told her that I had this laser procedure and got the bacteria out of my mouth. And she's like, oh my gosh, that's amazing, because that was what helped me. And now I haven't had any bacterial issues. I haven't been in the hospital for almost a year, haven't been on any other antibiotics or anything. I just got done with my treatment and my results are off the chart better. So thank you, doctor. I really appreciate you helping me, and hopefully I don't have to come back. Thank you.